You're on 100.3 The Sounds of Macarthur. Greg Bryant with you for the Aussie Collection show. It's now time for Acoustics in the Room, and we now have the talented Emma-Lisa and Sarah from Like Angels.
Hi. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you. Big fan of you.
Aw, thank you. Yeah, that means a lot.
So how did Like Angels first begin?
Well, we are sisters, so we've been singing together pretty much our entire lives, and we just decided
we've always loved singing, songwriting, and we were like, we both love it. So why not? Let's do this for real.
Do this for a career. Let's try and see how we go.
And I do love the name, Like Angels. Who came up with that?
Thank you. I think it kind of came over time. So our last name is Angelbray, which means it's from the border of France and Germany, and it means angel of light or something like that. So we always wanted to play on the word angel, and then not to sound ostentatious in any way, but the most common compliment we kept receiving was, "Oh, you girls sound like angels."
So we're like, done.
Yeah. One day we're just like, that's it.
Well, it's a great name.
Thank you so much.
And was there a moment when you were growing up when you realised music was for you?
I think it's just always been something, like even when we were younger, we would just be writing like silly little songs and like always, doing like musicals and just always singing whenever we could. So I think it's always kind of been there and been in the family. And then I think in the past few years, like when you write, you go this is what I want to do. It's a way to like reach people, and it's a way to express yourself, and music is powerful. So we're like, yep, like this is it. This is what we want to do. So yeah. I don't know if there was ever I think you had a... Yeah, I don't know if there was ever a set moment. I think it was more just like, I think there was a moment where it was like, there's nothing else I want to do. It was like, I just love this so much. I want to do this. So yeah.
And has many artists inspired you both over years?
Yeah. One of the things that we love is like amazing songwriting. So we love like Ryan Tedder, Taylor Swift. Like we're always admiring, and when we listen to music, we're always analysing the songwriting. And
got to get NF in there.
Yes, NF is amazing. So we're just like amazing lyrics, melodies, and even the production as well. Like it's just, we love it.
Well, we'd love to treat the audience with a live track in the studio. What did you want to sing for us first?
Yeah, absolutely. So we thought we'd kick it off with our single Rain, our debut single Rain, which we released in December last year. So here we go.
Take it away.
Thank you.
Taken for granted, never want you in here. Cloudy with chances, tell you to disappear. So confusing, I pray the grey away. Constantly wishing for sunshine every day. So why do I say, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. I forget the role you play, the balance you create. Well, rain, rain, come today, I need you more than ever. Might not always understand. Tears can be happy inside. It's amazing how quickly it can change. From a drought, a single drop, to an ocean tide away. A roller coaster, my emotional cascade. I find relief in pain release, a flood of tears I wash away. Why do I say, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. I forget the role you play, the balance you create. Well, rain, rain, come today, I need you more than ever. Might not always understand. These tears can be happy inside. It's raining, it's pouring, without a warning. Might feel like it's storming, but water's restoring. It's raining, it's pouring, without a warning. The thunder is roaring, but water's restoring. So rain, keep on falling today. No need to say, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. I forget the role you play, the balance you create. Well, rain, rain, come today, I need you more than ever. Might not always understand. happy and rain, rain. Come again today. Oh, rain, rain. Come again today. Might not always understand. Might not always understand. Feels like it's not part of the plan. Feels like it's not part of the plan. Might not always understand. Might not always understand. Tears can be happy inside.
Like Angels there, and Rain, that was a beautiful song.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
I have played that song a few times on the show. Can you tell us about the importance of that song?
Yeah, absolutely. So we released the song in December last year, and we're donating 100% of proceeds to fire and drought relief organisations in Australia. So it's pretty cool. All you have to do is stream the song and you're literally donating to drought and fire organisations. So yeah.
Great work what you're both doing. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
much.
Thanks for supporting the song. We really appreciate
It's
it.
a great song and everyone should go stream it as
Thank you. Go
Thank
stream it.
So, and talking about songwriting, is it easier to write together, being sisters?
We do both.
Yeah, we do both. So we write individually, but I think there's definitely a certain magic that happens when we write together. It's pretty cool how a song can, like, even sometimes one of us will have an almost finished song and we'll then just do some final editing with the other, and it's pretty cool to see what it transforms into.
Sometimes it's always that, sometimes there's that one line and I'll be like, oh, what's that line? Or she'll be like, what is that? I need to find this one line. And then all of a sudden, like, we'll just get it and it will just click and we'll be like,
It's like, bang, we're a pretty good team.
got it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Good being sisters then.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
And when you are writing, do you start with the lyrics first or the melody? Or
I think it's different every single
Yeah.
time, I'd say. Like, sometimes you just sit at the piano and start to play and just start to write. Other times it'll be like, it could be a conversation with someone and someone says a really interesting line and you'll be like, oh, quickly, we'll whip out our phones and write it down and then we'll use it later.
That's the song concept. So I think a lot of the time for us it's usually lyrics, but then you go to the piano or the guitar and you figure out the melody, and then they work both hand in hand to the rest of the song.
But I think it's definitely different every time. I don't think there's a set kind of recipe or anything like that, which is cool.
And what about any plans on releasing an EP?
Yeah, well, we've got a few singles in the work. We're going to release our new single shortly, hopefully in a month or so. So we're really, really excited. Last year we spent a lot of time in the studio recording songs, so we've got a lot ready to go. It's just the timing. We're just figuring out the best time to release. So you will all be updated very soon.
Yeah, so watch our social medias at We Are Like Angels.
Can't wait for that.
Thank you.
And so what's it like performing as sisters?
It's pretty cool. I think, we both love performing. We can perform individually, but there's something, I don't know, that just happens when you're on stage and you just look over and it's like, that's my sister. Like, it's really cool. And, you've got, even though we're both pretty confident, no matter what, you've got each other's backs up there on stage. It's no matter what happens, you can we almost have a quiet dialogue sometimes on stage. We don't say anything, but it'll just be eyes, or it'll just be a look, and we'll know, be careful on this bit, or it's okay, or you're doing well,
you're doing an amazing job. It's pretty cool. It's pretty special.
It's pretty cool.
So you always know what each other's thinking on stage.
A lot of the time, it's weird. If you have siblings, or even, I know a lot of, we're not twins, but I know twins often talk about it, it's kind of like an unspoken language
that we've just got. So
it's pretty cool.
And then where would you like to take Like Angels? How far would you like to take your career?
International, yeah. We'd love to write music and love to do this for a full-time career, love to tour, love to just keep writing and releasing.
And our music charting would be an absolute dream.
That would be the dream.
It's amazing, it would just be awesome to be able to walk in somewhere and go, that's our song playing. That's really cool.
I think make an impact as well with our music. Whenever we write, we always try to write something with meaning, and we just want to share that message with the world if possible. So we'll see how we go. We're going to give it a good crack.
I think you have a big future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I think we would love to hear another live one. What did you want to perform for us next?
Absolutely. So the next one, we actually thought we'll give you guys a sneak peek of our next single. It's called
Like Angels there, another great song.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome.
you.
Great harmonies as well.
Thank you
Oh,
so
thank
much.
you.
We love it. It's fun.
Yeah.
So what is the 2020 looking like for you?
Lots of different things. Very, very busy. We've got this next single coming out, and we're working a lot to do different videos and different content for it. And then we've got a lot of different gigs coming up.
Yeah, so we do weddings, functions, events. We're doing a few fundraisers as well. So
and Camden Shorts as well.
Camden Shorts is coming up. So yeah, just really busy. I guess we want to release a lot of music this year.
Many songs as we can.
Yeah, and then lots of performances as well, as many as we can. So we'll keep everybody up to date through our social media, so you always know what's happening. Yeah.
And what is the best way for everyone to stay up to date?
Well, we are on pretty much as many social media platforms as we can. Okay, so we're on Instagram and Facebook at We Are Like Angels, and we're also on YouTube and TikTok as Like Angels. And have I missed
Twitter
anything?
As well.
Twitter at We Are Like Angels.
Sweet.
Yes,
have a conversation
so we're
with
on
us.
all 5 of those social media. So yeah, please follow along, and you'll always be kept up to date with what's happening when new music is about to be released, and live performances as well. Yeah,
and we're pretty active as well. So feel free to chat to us.
All the social medias must keep you busy with all 5.
Yeah, absolutely. It is. It's like a full-time job, but it's worth it and it's fun.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
We love it. So, yeah.
And tell us about the videos that you got online about the behind the scenes.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. So we've recently on our YouTube channel, we've just put up a behind the scenes series for Rain and how we wrote the song and what it means and how all the fundraising works. And so it's a 5-part series. So we're about to release the 5th video later this week. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, it just gives a bit of an insight to how we actually wrote the song. So we've got clips from the original voice memo when we first started writing it. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's cool because you look back and you go, wow, like it came from here. It came from this raw recording, or we're just speaking into our phone to what you hear now.
All the way to the end,
so
the finished
insane.
product. Yeah, and so it goes through all that studio time, everything, so you can see what's involved in writing a song from the very beginning all the way to the end final product that you hear on amazing radio stations like this. So,
It's very fascinating to find out what happens in the studio too for some of the people that don't know.
Yeah. Well, it's pretty cool.
So much fun.
It's like we have so much fun in the studio, but it's obviously people hear the end product, but they don't always get to see or understand everything that does go on behind the scenes. So it's cool to kind of bring everybody in and go this is us in the studio, goofing around and having fun and recording and working, and people get to kind of have a little glimpse of that and I guess see one of the reasons why we love it. It's lots of fun.
Well, thank you so much for coming in, both of you.
Thanks again for having us. Yeah, really appreciate it.
Yeah,
it's been awesome, and everyone should go and stream Rain right now.
Thank you. Yes.
And you think we can finish with one more live one in the studio?
Yeah, absolutely. So since this is Aussie Collections, we thought why not sing a song by a fellow Australian artist. So this is Riptide by Vance Joy.
Take it away. Here is Like Angels.
Dentist in the dark. I wasn't scared of pretty boys or starting conversations. Oh, all my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in my dreams. Ooh. Dark side, I wanna be your left-hand man, and I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. There's this movie that I think you like, oh yeah, this guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from oh, when she's been living on the highest shelf. Ooh, ooh, and it comes unstuck. to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. And I love you when you're singing that song. And I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, I just gotta know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. Oh, I just gotta know. Oh, I just gotta know. If you're gonna stay. If you're gonna stay, yeah, yeah. I just gotta know, no. I can't have it any other way. I swear we're just in for the screen. The closest thing to take a swim that you've ever seen. Ooh, and it comes unstuck. Let's bring it home. Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. And I love you when you're singing that song. And I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Like Angels there, what a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you.